networking is all about giving, not getting. It's all about what can you do for other people? How can you, add value to the relationship? What can you do that might be in their benefit? How can you put your network at their disposal? And so it's based on a really, really simple premise. The more you give to individuals and the more you give to people on an individual basis, the more it kind of comes back to you from the network. And you see, it's not about any one big thing. Networking is about lots of small things, which if you do on a daily basis, they become habits, then they become rituals, and then they become part of who you are. And building a gigantic, strong, diverse network sounds like too immense a thing to even begin to do. But actually, it's a bit like picking up grains of sand off this beach, one at a time. But over time, actually, they become bucketfuls. And that's the essence to this, is to do this on a very sort of a singular individual basis.